Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, we're going to create a small program that asks for user input and then allows whatever that input is to be appended to a text file. I'm going to do this with supernatural characters because I love that TV show Supernatural. You can do it with whatever you want. So let's first create the text file. So I'm going to create a text file called SUP for Supernatural. Dash characters.txt, and I'll name some characters. So let's do Castiel, let's do Bobby, let's do Dean, let's do Sam, and let's do Joe. Okay, I'm going to save my file, and I'm going to quit out of here, and you want to make sure your file's in the same folder as the Python program that you're going to create. So let's create our Python program. Let's call it soup for supernatural characters underscore append.py. Okay. So what I'm going to do is first open the file. So we're going to go with open and then the name of the file, which is soup-characters.txt. I'm going to now append to that file. And I also want to put my encoding as UTF-8, and then I'm going to say as file, be very generic there. And then I'm going to go down to the next line. And in the next line, I'm going to create a string called user input and set that equal to just Y. Okay, and you'll see why I'm doing that in just a moment. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now create a while loop, and I'll say while user underscore input double equals Y. Well, then we're going to get a few things. We're going to get an input of what name they want to put onto the file next. So let's say CAR for character and then underscore name equals input. What is the name of the character or the next character you want to add? And I'll leave a question mark and a space there. And then after that, what I'm going to say is user underscore input. And then we're going to see if they want to add another character. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first enclose this whole thing in parentheses. I want to either have them answer Y for yes or N for no. But basically, if they don't answer Y, it's going to be no. Okay. But what I want to do is give them a chance, even if they answer an uppercase Y, that they can continue the loop. So to do that, I'm going to put this in parentheses, say input, do you want to enter another name? And then Y for yes, N for no, and leave a little space here. And then I'm going to do the dot lower method, okay? So that'll change whatever they input to lowercase, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I want to write the name to the file. So I want to take my file and do a dot write, and then I'll do the character name. Now, if I just do this and I enter a bunch of names, they're just going to be written on the same line. So I want to go down to the next line. And the way I can do that is just do file.write and then a /n there to move down to the next line. And my program should be good to go. Okay, so to get this program running, I'm going to open a terminal and I'm going to type Python 3 and the name of the program. So Python 3 and then soupappend.py. And we'll say, what is the name of the character you want to add? Let's add Chuck. Do I want to enter another name? Yes. What is the name of the next character I want to add? Let's add Amadeus. Do I want to enter another character? Let's do an uppercase Y. Okay, so that works. What is the name of the next character I want to add? Let's say Lilith. Okay, Do I want to enter 1 after that? No. Okay. So now I'm going to exit out of here, and I'll open my text file again. So we'll go down here. I put this in my home directory, so we're going to go on down, and let's go to supernatural-characters.txt, and you'll see at the end we've appended Chuck, Amadeus, and Lilith. And because we're using the append method, we haven't overwritten the previous names that we had in the list. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.